and this is Damia from year 1, and I think I'll celebrate this year of Christmas with my family. My extended family is also coming from Delhi, so I'm gonna enjoy with them and probably watch my all-time favorite movie, Love Actually. It's like a tradition, I always watch it every year. I even got a t-shirt for it this.
Hello everyone, this is Radhi Dhanuka, level 4 BAPM student. So how will I celebrate Christmas this year? It's going to be pretty low-key considering the ongoing pandemic. I'll stay home, of course, order very good food, spend time with my family, video call my friends, laugh a lot together, and one thing I really miss is setting up a Christmas tree, which I really enjoy doing with my mom. It was a lot of fun, but I can't do it this year because I've got a dog and he'll ruin everything. So this is one thing I really miss.
Everyone, I am Devika Nandwana from BAPM Year 2, and today I am going to be answering few of the Christmas podcast questions, beginning with how do you plan to celebrate Christmas this year? So this year I plan to celebrate Christmas with my family and my nanny. So I have decorated my entire house with Christmas decorations, and I have got a Christmas tree at my place as well. So this year we are going to be having dinner together with my nanny, and we'll be having our games and a karaoke night. So this is how I plan to celebrate Christmas this year.
Hi guys, I'm Ria Bol and I'm from year 3 BABM. I've been asked some questions, so I'm going to be answering them. How do you plan to celebrate Christmas this year? Recently we've planned just a get together with friends, and we're going to have plum cake, we're going to watch a Christmas movie, The Elf, and we're going to play some games, PT and badminton and some board games. So that's it, nothing traditional.
My name is Rubaina Sheikh and I am studying in year 2 for BABM. So how do I plan to celebrate Christmas this year? So what I will be doing is simply just putting up a small Christmas tree inside my house. So I always did this, that in my grandparents' house I have a small Christmas tree which I decorate every year with decorations, cotton, lights, everything. So I'm going to be doing that this year.
I will be celebrating Christmas with my friends, and yeah, we will obviously maintain safety standards, we'll wear masks, but we'll meet and we'll have some fun.
So I'm probably going to celebrate Christmas with my family by putting up a Christmas tree, and we are going to put like stream lights all around it and decorate it with heirloom ornaments to signify Christmas. And we are also going to decorate the entire hall with Christmas stockings just to make it look more Christmassy. And we are also going to have like a movie family night Christmas time where we are going to watch this movie that we have been waiting for since so long. It's called The Christmas Chronicles, and it's just the perfect time to watch that movie during Christmas.
The next question is, what do you like to bake during Christmas? So I love baking in general, and I'm a big time foodie. So I think this year I'm going to be baking gingerbread cookies and chocolate and a strawberry cake, since it's the strawberry season, and chocolate and strawberry is the best combination according to me. So I think this is what I'm going to be baking.
What according to you is the reason or story behind celebrating Christmas? It's the birth of Jesus Christ, so we celebrate him.
Then what is my favorite Christmas treat? I haven't had a lot of Christmas treats, but I think the favorite by far are the cookies that come in, because there are such beautifully decorated cookies that come in. So that is definitely something that is one of my favorites.
So which is my favorite Christmas treat? Honestly, it's difficult to choose one because there are so many amazing and delicious Christmas treats out there, and if I'd have to choose one, I'd say plum cake. My entire family is really fond of it. If we've got a plum cake at home, it's not gonna last beyond an hour. Yeah.
I would say my favorite Christmas treat are the candy canes. I could eat 10 at a time. But yes, they are my favorite because they always have that traditional minty taste and it makes you feel like, okay, wow, yeah, it's Christmas and we can eat how many candy canes we want.
This year, and one thing that I don't plan to take forward next year is my procrastination and me not replying back to people, which sort of causes a problem a lot of the times. So yes, happy Christmas and happy New Year.
If you could have one wish granted at Christmas, what would it be? So right now I don't really have anything particular in mind, but just like during the COVID crisis, everyone's well-being, mental well-being, and physical strength and fitness, I think that's very important. So I think everyone around me should be physically fit and mentally fit as well.
And the next question is, what is the coolest gift you have ever got for Christmas? I think the coolest gift which I received for Christmas was 2 days back. I had received a Spotify photo frame. So the photo frame had my picture on it, and it had a Spotify code on it. It was basically a song code. So it was my favorite song. So whenever I listen to that song and whenever I see that frame, I just scan that code and I just listen to that song. So I think it is. So according to me, that was the coolest gift which I received for Christmas.
The coolest gift that I ever got for Christmas was actually a huge teddy Santa, and that was like one of, it's very childish, I know, but that is honestly one of the coolest gifts I've got for Christmas, and I really cherish that. I still have that.
So, who am I the most thankful to in 2020 would have to be my mom. Because she's always there to support me, and I mean, we both together are a lot of fun. Like, we just forget all our problems when we're together, and we are a riot together. And when it comes to my dog, I think my lockdown would be really boring if my dog wouldn't be there. Like, I feel really lucky because all my friends would be so bored and like they'd have nothing to do, and I was here having a lot of fun with my dog, making videos, and they would all get jealous and I'd like have a lot of fun.
So when did you come to know that Santa is not real? Honestly, for me, Santa is still very real because my mom and my dad and my grandparents are my Santa for me. I think whatever I've wished for, whatever I've asked for, I've always gotten that, and I still believe in Santa because I think that they are in the form, my parents are in the form of the Santa.
Hey, so the first question about how I realized that there's no Santa is I was 8 years old at that time and I saw my parents put gifts in the basket and I realized, wait, is there no Santa? Is that just a made up thing? And then I realized, yeah, it's just your parents who gift you stuff during Christmas.
I think when I was 7 or 8 years old, I found out that Santa is not real because I snuck up on my parents buying us gifts and putting it under the Christmas tree in the middle of the night, and that's when I realized that my parents are the real Santa Clauses in our lives. So yes.
Lastly, what is my New Year's resolution? Honestly, I think the only resolution that I have for 2021 is to stay positive and not think about all the negative things or the bad things that have happened in this year, and have a positive mindset and always believe that things will become better and that things can change in the future. So yeah, thank you.
So number 1 would be unverified, and number 2 would be fast forwarded because we don't know where this entire year has gone. It's gone by in a jiffy ever since the lockdown started. So yeah, those are my first 2 words, and it leads me down to this last word, which is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, because honestly this entire year has also been extraordinarily wonderful, despite of the circumstances, because we got time to be with ourselves and spend time with our family as well. So yeah, we learned the importance of that, and yeah, that's about it.
What is your New Year resolution? My New Year resolution, I don't really have like a promise that I make every year, that every New Year that I'm going to do this one thing this particular year. But what I do every year is that I try to be a better version of myself in terms of like holistic development and also like a better human being. So I'll be doing that next year and years after that. So yeah, that's one thing. Thank you.
The next question is, what is your favorite Christmas song? I think my favorite Christmas song is All I Want for Christmas Is You. That song is quite